Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, February the 19th, 2021. The last puzzle is a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. And I've told you earlier, 4-star Sudokus or puzzles, I need 30 minutes or more. This one will be number 2, 3, 5, 6. Alright. And before I start, let me count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 printed digits. A lot. Yes. I think a lot. Alright. Because if it's a 4-star tectonic and I need 30 minutes or more, then usually 12 or below for the printed digits. 16. So I'm curious. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Alright. Do we see here dual box? You see here the dual box. 1 and a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I see here a quadrat box. Quadrat box in an L shape. This box is always a 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be a 4. Because I need all those numbers, digits, in those boxes. So it must be a 5. So the 2 is now eliminated, so the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. So this box, 3 boxes are left. The 1, the 3, and the 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 1 or a 3. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. But also, this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then let me think. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left in this quadrat box. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. And then this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this quadrat box, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 2. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This is a T construction. That means this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 5. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then alright, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. Otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, okay. Let me see. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay. 2, 2. Let me see. Need a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. 2, 3 or 5. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 2, 2. Well. 1, 1, 2. This box should be 3 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1. This box could be 1 or 5. Yeah. Because it cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be a 4. 1 or 5, okay. What's happening? This box should be also 4 or 5. Cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, so it's 4 or 5. I need pairs. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The last part is hard. 1, 2, 4. This box should be 3 or 5. Cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 4, yeah. I overlooked something because 1, 2, 3, 5. This box 1 could be a 3, could be also a 5. Ay. What's happening here? Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I cannot believe this. Why can I not continue? 1, 5. It's now 13 minutes. What's happening now? This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. So the 3... Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Three, 5. I need pairs. 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Where are the 5s? 5 could be one of these three. Well. Why can't I? 3, 4, 5. It's a 4. It's a 5. It's a 5. It's gonna be a 5. 3. No one should be in one of these two boxes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 or 5. Yeah, 3 or 5. 1, 3 or 5. 1, 5. 3, 5. Alright. We have a 4 there. Alright, let me mark the good ones with the red pencil. 4, 1, 2. Alright, only do this one. Yeah. Okay. I think the 4 should be in one of those two boxes. Otherwise, if I place a 5 here, I cannot place a 5 here because I need a 5 in one of those three boxes. So it's, if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those. I need a 3 here. So I think this box should be a 5. Yeah, because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. Same with the 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 3 boxes. So it must be a 4. Alright. So 3 and a 5 are left. This box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Those two boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 3 and a 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic. I like this one. A lot of thinking at the end. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Bye bye for now.